Hi, this is Mr. Capert. In this video, I'm going to continue to model the fork. You should have the steer done from the last video. You want to do a 2D sketch on the bottom surface here. Start with the circle tool. Select the origin and then go out by 36 millimeters. You then want to draw a line out in the distance here. Doesn't matter what size because we're going to come in and we'll dimension that line. Hit the dimension tool and you want to dimension over by 32.5. Hit enter. You then want to dimension the size of it, which should be 25. That might cause your line to move. It's actually weird that mine didn't move. You're probably going to have to use this horizontal constraint if your line moved, and click the center of the circle and then the end of that line. So yours probably will move. I do not know why mine didn't. So then you want to then use the line tool again, this time construction line, and just go down a ways. Construction line's not real. Hit escape and don't forget to deselect construction line. You're then going to use a line to connect a tangent to this. You're going to have to kind of go around this circle until you see the tangent symbol. Right there, locked in, and it's very small. Above the yellow dot, there's a tangent symbol with a circle and a line. See, that's what it looks like. It's bolder now that now that I got it there. And then the next thing you're going to do a line also from here on down. Doesn't matter where you snap because you need to dimension this. This is going to be 30 millimeters. All right. Looks about right. And then what you're going to do next is mirror this line. So choose mirror, or these lines I should say. Choose that one, choose this one, choose this one. All those you want to mirror. Select your mirror line, which is that one. Hit apply. Boom. You're then going to go in and trim any excess on this circle. Good. Finish sketch. You're then going to extrude this thing by 7 millimeters. Hit enter. Make sure you save it. I'm going to have more parts on showing how to